Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the waterproof sealant mastic super diamond mud seal. So as you can see, if you don't know what this product is, it is basically a seal for holes or pipes or faucets that can help you with your leaking. So as you can see, here's a before and after. So the before use is that there, as you can see, there are some holes in the pipe. So after use, the super diamond mud seal seals the holes and prevents leaking. So as you can see right there, it also helps you seal your cracks from your floor or your rat holes, pipe holes, wall hole cracks, industrial and pipe connection. So it is basically a solution for example, leaking or a hole in your wall or your home. So as you can see, it has waterproof, high plasticity, fast air drying, excellent leak proofing properties, and multi-purpose. So they are actually rated 4.5 out of 5 stars so far here on Amazon, and they have 11 ratings. So as you can see, if you're scrolling down here, easy to install, no leaks, tight hold. I wouldn't have believed it would work so easily. Works great on plumbing fixtures. I used some under the kitchen sink plumbing. So so far, this product has some very good reviews. So and it is very cheap. I saw it for like only $7. So if you want to try this product out, go ahead and try it since it seems to be legit. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.